I will start with the historical perspective of FEMA, and I have named this perspective as the spirit of time. So, foreign exchange regulation in India post independence, we India got independence in 1947. The foreign exchange regulation in India are the result of the changing spirit of time, the changing thinking of the government of India. So, as the thinking changed with time, the foreign exchange regulations and the acts in this domain kept on changing. So post independence, the year 1947, we had something called FERA 1947. Now this FERA was a makeshift arrangement kind of act which contained the different prohibitions. It was not exactly similar to FERA 1973, which was more stringent, but it was there. I would like to remind you that post-independence we had a lot of role for private sector. So FERA 1947 was not that stringent. Now this journey from 1947 FERA culminated into a very stringent act, which is Foreign Exchange Regulation Act FERA of 1973. So if I want to explain to you what was FERA 1973 in very short, I would like to tell you that it was a transaction based control prohibiting any foreign exchange transaction between residents of India and non-residents of India unless specifically permitted. So it was kind of a blanket ban. And not only that, the transactions, the foreign exchange transactions itself were not classified into the different types of transactions. So it was a very blanket kind of act which came into force in 1973. Now, by 1991, we realized that this experimentation to conserve foreign exchange, which was in the form of FERA 1973, seemed to be failing. So the spirit of time was changing. So by 1991, we were having the economic difficulties, and the people at the hand at that time took advice from International Monetary Fund, and our thinking itself was changing. So because of this economic reforms, the new spirit of time started and culminated into the so-called FEMA Act of 1999, which came into effect in year 2000. So this is a very short historical perspective which I wanted to share with you regarding FEMA.